Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Windrose Demo game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue or other errors on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after you search for the game on Steam, go to the search for the game and after that go below and here you will find the system requirements to play the game. So make sure your PC have all the required specs and after that try to launch the game and then check if the game is launching or not. If not, next method is to run game from the installation folder. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game installation folder. Here's the game application, double click on it and then check if the game is opening or not. If the issue still occurs, you are suggested to run the game as admin. For that, right click on the game application, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if this helps to fix the issue. If this doesn't resolve the problem, again come back, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and then launch the game and check. If the issue still occurs, again come back, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and check if this helps to fix the problem. But if the issue still continues, come back, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. The next method is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check if it's working now. But if the issue continues, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if this helps to fix the problem. If the issue still continues, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that here you have to search for the game, whether it's listed or not. So let me search for the game over here. So the game is listed here. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the game application, add the game application to the list. After that select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So once the game files are verified, launch the game and then check. If not, next method is to check graphics settings of the game. So when a graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, anti-aliasing, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If it is enabled, you are suggested to disable it. Once you disable it, launch the game and then check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay options from there. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to disable third-party overlay applications. So if there is any third-party overlay applications enabled like Nvidia Shadow Play or MS Afterburner, then you should disable it. This can lead to unexpected issue while playing the game. Next method is to update Windows. So for that go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates and wait for some time. After updating your Windows to the latest version, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files in Google. Now after the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once the link is downloaded, you have to open it and you will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time. After you get setup successful message, close this, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now log into the game and check. If not, next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, press Windows plus R and type msconfig, press OK. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services tab, select hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, open task manager. Here also do the same thing, select the application, and after that click on disable all, disable, and then go back, click on OK, and after that finally launch the game and then check whether it's working or not. If not, next method is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the game application. After adding it, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference. You have to select high performance. After selecting high performance, launch the game and then check. Next is to disable antivirus program or firewall. So if you are having an antivirus program, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So what you need to do is you have to toggle off real-time production. For that, go to the Windows search. Now search for Windows security. Here you have to click on virus and threat protection. Go below, click on manage settings and turn off real-time production over here. After this, go to the Windows search again. Search for Windows Defender Firewall. Click on turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Here you have to select turn off Windows Defender Firewall in both public and private network settings, and after that click on OK. After that, launch the game and check. But later on, again come back and select turn on Windows Defender Firewall in both private and public network settings. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Windrose Demo game. So for that, go to the Steam's under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. This will completely remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restart, launch Steam and reinstall Windrose Demo game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. So using these methods, you can easily resolve Windrose Demo game crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, unable to open, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.